Good morning everyone. Myself P. Gopi Jagannath, working as Assistant Professor in KVN School of Management Studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic DBMS, Database Management System. Database Management System is a system software for creating and managing the database. What is database? A database is a storage space which is used to store lots of data in the form of information. You know the difference between the data and information. Data is the raw facts, a collection of raw facts. Information is the data which has a meaning to it. It is called as information. The database management system is a system software which is used to create, read and update, delete the data. And it is most prevalent type of database management platform. Database management is essential for serving as interface between the database and the end user. Here the database is used to store the data, where the data which is stored in the database can be used by the end user with the help of the software database management system. It is the main function of database management system software. And the end user may be a single person who is using the data in order to take different decisions. For example, in a company, when an accountant is using the data which is stored in a database for creating a budget, it is called, here the end user is the accountant. And next, it ensures that the data is consistently organized and remains easily accessible. It makes the data easily retrieved by the end user. And next, coming to the importance of DBMS, importance of database management system. Here the first point is controlling redundancy and inconsistency. The word here redundancy means losing of data or data lost. Here the database management system software enables us to control the redundancy, means losing of data, and it controls inconsistency. Consistency and inconsistency are two opposite meanings. Consistency means having continuously accessibility to the data. Inconsistency means breaking of data while retrieving it. The DBMS allows us to eradicate the breakage of inconsistencies of data. Efficient memory management. Here take the example of Gmail. We all use Gmail. Here in the Gmail we get different types of messages like spam messages, which are of no use. These spam messages occupies so much of space in our Gmail. So we try to delete all the spam messages. In the same way, here the DBMS software deletes all the unuseful data which is present in the database and enables us to use the total database system and multiple user interface. Here the database management system not only acts as a bridge between the end user and the database, but it also acts a bridge between the database and multiple users at a time. Data scalability and expandability and flexibility. Data scalability means measuring of data which is enabled by database management system. And expandability. Expandability means the data added to already present data which is previously present on the database. The database management system enables us to expand the previously present data. And flexibility. It makes the data flexible. Flexible means easily changeable, update and retrieving the data. Security. Security is the main concept in any information system or any information present at any scenarios, which the database management software improves the security of the data present in the database. Next concept we are dealing about the data warehousing. We all know what is a warehouse. Warehouse is a place where we store goods or something. Here coming to the information scenario, data warehousing means it is a place where data is stored. It is a technology that aggregates structured data from one or more sources so that it can be stored in data warehouse. It takes the data from different sources and makes it a warehouse where the data is stored. A data warehouse is designed to support management decision making process by providing a platform for data cleaning, data integration and data consolidation. A data warehouse consists of subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant and non-volatile data. With this diagram, we can easily understand what is a data warehouse. Here in the diagram, we are getting different data sources from customer relationship management, entrepreneurship relation management, billing, supply chain management. Here the data is taken from different sources and stored in a common data warehouse. Data warehouse is nothing but group of databases which can be easily managed. And data warehouses consolidates data from many sources, as I already showed you, while ensuring data quality, consistency and accuracy. It does not compromise in data accuracy issue. Data warehousing improves system performance by separating analytics processing from transactional databases. Data flows into a data warehouse from the various databases. Already told you, in a data warehouse there are different databases which flows from one database to another database. Coming to data mining. Data warehousing is all about storing the data, but here data mining means using the stored data in the warehouse for making different decision making processes or different providing decisions. Here it is the process of finding patterns and correlations within the large data sets to identify relationship between the data. Data mining tools allows a business organization to predict the customer behavior. Data mining tools are used to build risk models and detect the frauds. Data mining is used in the market analysis and management. It is mainly used for detecting the frauds in the information or errors in the information which is stored in the database. Corporate analysis and risk management. The first half in the diagram deals with data integration and data warehouse, where the data warehouse or data integration is done in the common data warehouse. Here different databases are taken as a source to provide storage in the data warehouse. After the data is stored, then comes the step of data mining, where we retrieve the data which is stored in the database in order to analyze the data for different results. The end process is analyzing the data for the end results. The main differences between the data mining and data warehousing. Data warehousing is the database which is designed for data storage. While coming to the data mining, it is a process of analyzing the data patterns. Data is stored periodically. Data is analyzed regularly. Data warehouse is the process of extracting and storing data to allow easier reporting. Data mining is use of pattern recognition logic to identify patterns. Data warehouse is slowly carried out by engineers. Data mining is carried out by business users and health engineers. Data warehouse is the process of pulling all relevant data together. Data mining is considered as the process of extracting data from large data sets.